I recently read an article that enraged me. I want to see if you can pick up on it, and I'll explain later why it made me so mad. Do you see it? Did you see it?
One of the reasons why I removed the name and company of the organizer in this article is because I don't really like what it did to her. And my guess is they consulted a professional organizer for this article and she said, "Oh, yeah, here's my top product." Now, that is something every organizer has. It made it seem like she's the one suggesting that the first step to organizing your space is making sure you have all these products. But the way this article is written, before you do anything, you need to get more stuff. It's written like it's trying to sell you something. Any organizer who is trying to sell you something from the start is not responsible, because our goal is to figure out what you need. And maybe you do need some product. Maybe we'll be looking at your kitchen cabinets and realizing, you've got really tall cabinets and a lot of really short stuff. You could use some dividers. You don't really have anything in your house that could help with that. That's a different thing. Maybe you need less stuff. But we should not be going in there with a mindset of selling you something.
The first step is free in getting your space organized. Just admit that whatever you're doing isn't working and you need to change. That's it. You have all the tools you need to start organizing your space.